Okay, so today's native plant is the eastern redbud tree, also known as Cercis canadensis. This plant is in the family Fabaceae, and so it's actually related to peas and beans. It prefers full sun. It'll grow in a wide range of both, different light levels as well as different soils, but it prefers full sun, and it prefers well-drained, moist soil. But again, it will tolerate some variation in that, so it can tolerate a wide range of different soils, including clay, which a lot of trees will struggle with, but this one doesn't struggle too bad. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful native tree to the eastern half of the United States. Very, very beautiful. Even though it's fall and it's lost some leaves, they have these very beautiful leaves. And in the spring, they get their name because they have these they're not really red, they're more of a purple flowers. And one of the interesting things about this plant is that it actually flowers on the trunk, which is very unusual for a lot of trees. So it's pretty interesting. They actually flower on the trunk. These grow naturally very far north and very far south. Again, they're native to pretty much the whole eastern half of the United States. So yeah, has a very wide native range, and it's very easy to grow. It's growing wild here at a railroad. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And the plant is actually self-fertile, so it can actually produce seeds with just one individual, just one plant. It's probably better if you have more genetic diversity, you have more of these if you want to produce seeds. But technically, these can produce seeds with just one plant. So yeah, very, very wonderful native plant. I really like this. The leaves look so cool, and they're really beautiful, and they're just a really nice native tree. Very, very nice. And those flowers, you got to remember too, those flowers are very important for pollinators in the springtime. Those beautiful purple flowers that they produce. So it also benefits lots of pollinators in the spring. So it's a really beneficial plant for wildlife. It's very beautiful. Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys got something out of that. And yeah.